nature, this magical tapestry that surrounds us all the time and everywhere, even when we don't see it. Every tree, every flower, every creature, they're all threads woven together in this incredible masterpiece. It's where you find solace, where you feel alive, where you remember what truly matters. From the whispers of the wind in the trees to the symphony of bird songs at dawn, nature speaks to our souls in a language older than time. We gotta cherish it, protect it, because in the end, it's not just about preserving nature. It's about honoring the very essence of life itself.